All right, this is the hydraulic pump out of the to30. I tapped it with a 1/4 18 pipe thread, and then I got these pipe plugs. So that's going to go in there, and then there's going to be one in the top one, and then I can run off of these side ports for my hydraulics for my front end loader.